All right, we started recording. That's why I clapped. But so I'm gonna back test US30 on the 15-minute chart from we're in March. So from February 22nd forward. And I'm recording here so I can review, and then we're just gonna stitch them together, and I will show you guys what is happening. So let's see. I am only going to trade New York sessions, so I'm gonna wait for entries. Or actually, that's a lie. If I get a really good entry, I'll take it London, but I'm only looking for New York entries. So let's fast forward to 1300. That would be New York area. That's looking like a short position. To be honest, I think we wouldn't pass that high. If we do, probably end up going long for the day. Sell. Play out a couple candles. 60 bucks up. Not bad. Up. Signs of reversal. All right. So if I would have traded with a stop that tight, I wouldn't have made it, but we still hit profit, so that tells me I gotta review my entries a little bit, and if we were trading real time, I would have re-entered at the top of that because that is perfect point of interest short. So regardless, I went the direction of my bias, and that's what we look for. Sometimes I'll enter trades a little bit deep into that movement, but it kind of just depends on how tight I am with my edge that morning. So, all right, that's one trade. Let's continue. Oh, we'll close that out. Came all the way back up. Could have just traded that back into the zone. Oh, wait. 13. Okay, so here, these are all a little tricky. So I'm gonna assume that we're not gonna clear through yesterday's low. So I'm gonna chalk that out. Now let's watch. Oh, we cleared through it. See, that's what happens sometimes. Now let's watch how we react. Now this is the 15-minute chart. If we did this in real time, I'd be watching the 1 minute. I'd be like, okay, how is price reacting? Are we going to return to our initial zone and just completely retrace, or are we going to continue? Because we did pierce through that zone pretty hard, so there's a good chance that we could continue into, I don't know, what's our next, there's not really a target anywhere close, but price does what price decides to do, so we'll find out. All right, next candle, we are consolidating a bit. I think we're gonna probably continue down. So let's just say hypothetically, if we sold here, we'd be looking to take profit, maybe around 10, 15 pips, just because we don't have a target. And if we break back above that zone, we're gonna go long for the day. So go ahead and play out, quick 50 bucks, and just take that. Let's see where we go from here. Yeah, see, I had a feeling we were gonna come back up there, so. All right, now since we're breaking up here, I think we'll probably go long. Now this is past, I'm not gonna take any more trades on that day. We're done, we walked away from the computer, morning's over, boom, new day. All right, so where are we at now? Oh wait, did I skip through? Oh, I freaking skipped through New York, damn it. Well, let's just say, since I did that, I accidentally slept in that day, so. I'm gonna chalk out this next one so I know when New York's gonna hit. 1300. All right, now let's just watch price. Sit back and watch. Sorry, that was the next day. New York for the current day that we're looking at is right there. I'm thinking long already, but we'll see. side, failure to clear, closing high. Let's see, so that might signal some short activity unless it's faking us out. So let's just wait another 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna go short right here. Boom. Look at that shit, guys. Come on. Come on. All right, on to the next day. New York. Now this is probably a long position unless it breaks below that line. So this is what I'm saying, like, bro, take your moving averages off. Learn how price reacts. Learn what candles to look for. Learn what times to trade. And then fucking make a trading plan for yourself. Let's see. So I'm assuming this is going to be a long position. It might not be if it breaks below there, but let's just mark up a long. So I typically trade really tight stop losses in real time. So if this was a real morning, I'd break this down to the 1 minute chart and be looking very closely to see how price is reacting in this zone. But since we're just fucking around, we're just back testing to see, you know, just kind of sharpen my edge overall. I typically don't trade off the 15, but I do trade New York. I trade this pair, or not, it's not a pair, it's US30, it's an index technically. But let's run this. More sell side liquidity. Ooh, look at that. Where did we end up? Boom. Oh, I forgot to hit buy, but regardless, let's just buy in right here. Terrible buy-in entry. If this was real time, we wouldn't do that. But I just want to, you know, we're stacking our little profit right here, so let's see what happens. Boom. All right, I don't like how I did that. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna close that right there, break even. Let's see. I think I'm probably gonna take an entry to the sell side just based off of how we're breaking right here. What time is it though? Yeah, if it doesn't sell off by 19:15, that we're done for the day. That's just a break-even day right there. Even though that was a couple bucks, but regardless. Sell side liquidity. Boom. Bruh. All right, so that is another good morning in the markets. But yeah, learn to trade liquidity, figure out what session you want to trade, figure out how price reacts during that session, and yeah, just practice. Can't make this shit up.